Hello and welcome to All Things Knitty. This week's stitch is this beautiful one row repeat. It's called the Gentle Waves stitch. It gives you this lovely texture and a lovely edge as well. Like I say, it's a one row repeat. I'm using this milk cotton yarn. I found this on Amazon and I fell in love with it. I think it's beautiful. You get 12 balls in the pack. I've put a wee link down below in case you wanted to get some for yourself. So anyway, you're going to begin with a chain of 5 plus 8 using the recommended hook for your yarn. Okay, so with this I used a 4mm and I'm using a chunky, or well, a Aran weight on a 4.5mm. Okay, so once you have your chain of 5 plus 8, we're going to begin in the second chain from hook. Let me zoom in here. So into the second chain from your hook, you're going to work 1 single crochet, skip 1, and now we're going to be working over the next 3 stitches, and we're going to work 1 single crochet in this one, 3 in the next, and 1 in the next. So skip 1, work 1 single crochet, and your next stitch along, you're going to work 3 single crochets, and that's a US single crochet, which is a UK double crochet. So work 3 of those, and then in the next stitch here, you're going to work 1 single crochet. Skip 2. In the next, you're going to work the same. You're going to work 1, 3, 1. So 1 single crochet in the next, 3 in the next, and then 1 in the next stitch. So 1, 3, 1, skip 2, and you were going to repeat that 1, 3, 1, skip 2, work 1, 3, 1. Keep doing that all the way across the row until you have 2 stitches left, and I'll show you how to end the row. Okay, so you've just got 2 stitches left, and at the start and end of a row, we'll just skip 1. In between, we skip 2, and at the ends of the row, we just skip 1. So skip 1, and in the very last stitch, work 1 single crochet. Chain 1, and turn your work. The first and last stitch of your pattern, you're going to begin with a single crochet, and we're working into both loops. So you have your V on the hook, working through both loops, you're going to work a single crochet. Skip 1, and here's our next 3 where we're going to work 1 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 single crochet. But we're going to work it in the back loop only. So rotate your work towards yourself and into the back loop. So just put your hook under the back loop, work your little repeat. So 1 single crochet in the back loop, 3 single crochets in the back loop of the next, and then 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next stitch. You're going to skip 2, so skip 1, 2. Here's our next group of 3. In the back loop only, you're going to work 1 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 single crochet. So that's the third. 1 more. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and repeat. 1 single crochet, 3, 1, skip 2. Work until you've just got these 2 stitches left, and I'll show you how to finish the row. Okay, so you just have 2 stitches left, and like before, we're going to skip one and work a single crochet, but like the start of a row, so your first stitch and your last stitch, you go through both loops. So skip one and working through both loops of the last stitch, work your single crochet to finish the row. Chain one, turn your work, and that's the row that you repeat. So I'll do it another couple of times just so you're sure. So in the first stitch through both loops, single crochet, skip one, and over the next 3 you're going to work 1, 3, 1 in the back loops only. So 1 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and then work 1 more single crochet in the back loop only. Skip 2 stitches and repeat. So 1, 3, and 1. You're going to do that all the way across the row until you only have 2 stitches left, and we'll go over just how to close the row one last time. So just like the start of our row, we're going to skip one and work 1 single crochet through both loops, and that's it. Just chain 1, turn, work your single crochet through both loops, skip 1 and repeat. So that was the Gentle Waves crochet tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I say, I really like this wool. I've left a wee link down below in case you wanted to get some. If you're in the UK, it's the UK link. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video, share it. Follow me on social media. All the links are below, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye.